and we have nothing to absorb that radiation. So when it comes back out from the ground, it's going to go straight up and allow that temperature to cool off. But when we have the moisture, like in Minneapolis' case, it's going to stay warm overnight. That's why the other night we set, once again, that record low minimum of, a record high minimum, I should say, at 80 degrees. So just an incredible situation there, but especially when you have the moisture coupled with the heat. So right now it still feels like 93 degrees in Minneapolis. Well, it does feel like 76 in Kansas City. It feels like 90 in St. Louis. So the east side of the state, much more moist than the western side. All right, upper low, spinning around here, coming out of Oklahoma and heading up into Colorado. This doesn't have a lot of cold air with it, so we're not seeing a lot of showers and thunderstorms with it. Plus, it's also moisture starved at the surface. It may be a player in the next couple of days. We'll see, but right now it's not. Notice the ridge, big ridge of high pressure. We've also had a front, which is kind of snuck down on the south side of that. It's just kind of sitting there over Minneapolis. So this is where the moisture's pooling right in through here. And that's why it feels so oppressive outside. So, you know, it doesn't matter how far north or south you go. It matters where you're sitting under that dome and where the deepest moisture is. And that makes the worst heat wave, especially when you can't even get clouds to build up and get any showers and thunderstorms with this. So we will see through late week 10 to 20 inch, 10 to 20 degree above average temperatures here. 91 in Minneapolis tomorrow, 93 as we go into Thursday. Look at Omaha, and that's in the shade at 102 degrees. Minneapolis continues to make a front coming through on Sunday. That'll be our relief just in time for Labor Day, a few degrees cooler.
What flavor is that?
We're closing in on September here, Crystal.
We got apples and blueberries.
Labor Day just around the corner.
Apples and blueberries.
We do have some showers and thunderstorms.
Oh, I might want some of that.
Not a whole lot. Remember, we have a big ridge of high pressure in the middle of the country, and we're getting most of the showers and storms around that ridge, something we call ridge riders. In Detroit, some light rain coming through tonight. There are some areas of lower Michigan where we've had heavier rain accumulations, and that's all associated with this area right here. You see the red and the orange on the map. And that's where we have some of the heaviest rainfall. Hail reports, even some damaging wind possible as that closes in closer to the Lansing area. Saginaw just on the east side, there was some lighter rain tonight. Looking at Grand Rapids, with a few rumbles of thunder possibly in your area, back to Sheboygan and Oshkosh here. We do have some showers and storms across this part of Wisconsin. So again, right around the ridge, which you'll see here in just a moment. Now we bring you back into the plains where we do have some severe weather and severe warrant cell in
that juice is nasty.
across the Dakotas. We're concerned about mainly some large hail and damaging wind there. And also looking at the Phoenix.
She don't know no better. You've been drinking that old funky fake milk.
Flash flood warning there on the southwest side of Phoenix. So this is interesting when you look at the ridge and where it is right in the middle of the country. It's around the ridge where all that moisture is being drawn in, and that's where we tend to see the showers and thunderstorms. Nothing underneath that ridge. For a closer look right now at the thunderstorm threat the next few days, we go to severe weather expert Dr. Greg Forbes.
Hello.
There's a huge northward hump of the jet stream that is making the central part of the U.S. have a heat wave.
Hey, Grandma, you put it up my nose.
Into southern Canada and then turns southeast into the northeast part of the U.S. South of that, pretty warm conditions aloft and making it hard for thunderstorms to form. Not too many disturbances in the jet stream either, but one little weak disturbance pushes a low at the surface down across Pennsylvania and toward Maryland and Virginia. Warm, moist Gulf of Mexico area ahead of that system may give a few severe thunderstorms during the day on Wednesday. It's not very fast winds aloft, though, so some of the storms may be only marginally severe, but southern Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, southern New Jersey, Delaware, down into parts of Virginia and North Carolina may have a few spotty wind and hail reports. And up where the jet stream goes northbound in that big hump, parts of Montana and the Dakotas may have a few hail and wind reports as well. So we head into Thursday, some of that same area. Minnesota, maybe Minneapolis and Wisconsin will have a chance of a stray hailstorm or windstorm. Back to you.
Thank you, Dr. Forbes. The California wildfires burned almost 300 square miles of land, including part of a popular national
They're
park.
good.
Coming up on Weather Center Live, a view from above that gives us a new perspective on this fire.
And we're tracking, taking your questions about wildfires and all the rain from what was Tropical Storm Eva.
Come on. Yum, 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 yum.
I see Jacob.
Yum, 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 yum.
Optional better car replacement from Liberty.
I see Jacob.
Total your car and we give you the money to buy one a model year newer.
Learn about it at libertymutual.com. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
No,
responsibility. What's your policy?
Wow, I've been Claritin Clear for 10 days.
When your allergies start, doctors recommend taking one non-drowsy Claritin every day during your allergy season for continuous relief.
18 days.
12 days.
24 days of continuous relief. Live Claritin Clear every day.
It's Pep Boys Labor Day savings event. Whether you buy one tire for as low as $39.98, buy two, get a free oil change, or buy three, get the fourth tire free. Pep Boys has the lowest prices guaranteed. Life is full of point beats. Trust the boys to get you there.
Staying warm and dry has never been our priority. Our priority is, was, and always will be serving you, the American people. So the improved Priority Mail Flat Rate to give you a more reliable
Check
ratio.
up.
Now with tracking up to 11 scans.
Say I'm done, I think, for now.
Free insurance up to $50, all for the same low rate.
We are the United States.